Watch out. That's okay. Here, you gotta turn the wheel, honey.
Oh.
You gotta turn the wheel. Here, hit the reverse. There you go. Okay, now throw it in first.
Turn your wheels this way a little bit.
Okay.
Go ahead. There you go. Go towards Papa.
Keep going.
Turn your wheel.
Turn
Turn the
the wheel the other way.
wheel that way.
Where's Emma? There you go. She's still in the house. Oh, you can do that. Yeah, back down. You got it.
Okay, now turn your wheel.
Attaboy.
Okay, now hit the pedal.
Pedal.
Keep turning it. Keep turning the wheel. Yeah, turn it that way. Now hit the pedal. Keep going.
Spin it down here.
Now turns towards. Don't run. He already ran Emma over.
Back into her.
Okay, go now. You gotta hold the pedal down, bud. Keep holding it down.